Now it is question number 8. We have to solve this equation using cross multiplication method. Firstly, we change it in the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal 0, means we shift the RHS of this term to LHS. Then equation 1 becomes 6ax plus 6by minus 3a plus 2b equation 2, 6bx minus 6ay minus 3b minus 2a equal 0. 6ax plus 6by minus 3a minus 2b means minus bracket 3a plus 2b. Similarly for second, it is equation 1 and it is equation 2. Using cross multiplication method, we have x by, hide the coefficient of x, we have 6b minus 6a means 6b minus 6a, and constant term which is minus 3a plus 2b minus 3b minus 2a. Now for y, firstly we repeat this term, means minus 3a plus 2b minus 3b minus 2a, and coefficient of x, hide y, repeat this term, and coefficient of x which is 6a 6b. Now for 1 by, we have 6a 6b coefficient of x and coefficient of y 6b minus 6a. Now multiply this term to this, we have x by 6b into minus 3b minus 2a, then 6b 3b minus 2a, put minus sign, minus 6a into minus 3a plus 2b, minus into minus plus, and 6a into 3a plus 2b. For y by 6b into minus 3a plus 2b means minus 6b, 3a plus 2b, 6a into minus 6a and minus sign in between means it is positive, 6a 3b minus 2a. Now 1 by minus 6a into minus 6a means minus 36a square, and minus sign 6b into 6b 36b square. Now x by, open the bracket, we have minus 18b square plus 12ab minus 18a square minus 12ab 18ab minus 12b square, 18ab minus 12a square minus 36 common, then a square plus b square. Now 12ab cancel out. We have x by minus 18b square minus 18a square minus 18 common, a square plus b square, y by minus 18ab cancel out, minus 12 common, a square plus b square, 1 by minus 36 a square plus b square. Now we have x by minus 18 a square plus b square with 1 by minus 36 a square plus b square. Then value of x equal minus 18 a square plus b square by minus 36 a square plus b square, cancel out, 1 by 2. Now y by minus 12 a square plus b square equal 1 by a square plus b square. Then value of y equal minus 12 a square plus b square by 36 a square plus b square. Then this term cancel. Value of y is 1 by 3. Then x equal 1 by 2 and y equal 1 by 3 is the answer of this linear equations.